So I'm gonna share to you a quote coming from Jim Rohn. He said na if you let your learnings lead to knowledge, you will become a fool. But if you let your learnings, your knowledge, lead you to action, then that's the time your life changes. So yun guys. I remember na during those times when I was processing my application here in Canada, 'di ba? I'm lack of funds as yung sinishare ko sa inyo, kaya na nag-DIY ako, and then those were the times na the program was closed. It's because yung cap, yung ang tawag nito, ang cap, yung quota is sarado na, puno na siya sa childcare na meron lang kasing bilang na numbers ng applicants na kinikater ang immigration. So those were the times na I did like research on what I'm going to do. And then yun nga, may nagsuggest sa akin that I can do DIY. So if the learnings that I learned from searching on what I'm going to do, what requirements I'm going to need, if I allow those learnings, those knowledge that I gained, if I allowed it, if I let it to become like just a knowledge and I did not take action, na hindi ako nag-DIY or not, para akong diba? I become a fool. But no, I did not allow it to happen na hindi ko siya ginawa ng paraan. That's why DIY happens, yung do-it-yourself application happens. So that's, I don't know. And my life changes. Dito na ako ngayon sa Canada. So, yun po. Never allow your learnings or knowledge na, mag-knowledge lang siya. Hindi mo in application, walang application wala kang application na ginawa sa natutunan mong skills ba yan or anything na natutunan mo. You have to put an act on it para para that's where the time na ang buhay mo, may magbabago sa buhay mo. So may magbabago sa buhay mo kung yung natutunan mo is ina-apply mo sa sarili mo. So yun yung natutunan ko that time na along the process na na ginawa ko, the searching, hindi siya madali, takes a lot of patience and effort on your part, and it's manggagaling siya lahat sa iyo mismo, hindi sa iba. So yun, along the way parang lang siya, nagiging madali na, it's because gusto mo you want it, na you will do it for yourself. So nagiging magaan lang siya because it's a choice, and choice mong gawin, decision mong gusto mong gawin. So that's it po. Never allow your learnings to become a knowledge lang siya. Do, act, and apply it in yourself. Yun po.